thinking about losing my head, it's freaking me out. It's always just the same poison play, stuck inside the teenage craze again. And now I'm 19, future looks bright, but I still go out every night. We all just play pretend, fake friends, stuck inside the teenage craze with them. But I can get enough of it. Oh, I've been running up the mouth. But I can get enough of it. You, we never used that. We never used that. We never used that.